So we want to convert 1,000 in base 10 to base 2. So we're going to use repeated division as we did in the last example. So we'll start with 1,000 and we'll divide it by 2. And that gives us a quotient of 500 and no remainder. And then we'll divide again, and that gives us 250 with no remainder. Then we're going to get 125, but that will have no remainder because 2 goes into 250 exactly. But this time, that is going to give us a quotient of 62. Remember, 125 divided by 2 is 62.5, and a remainder of 1. But 62 is even again, so that will go to 31 with no remainder. Divide that by 2 and we get a quotient of 15 and a remainder of 1. Divide that by 2 and we get a quotient of 7. Divide 15 by 2 and you get 7.5 with a remainder of 1. Divide that by 2. 7 divided by 2 is 3.5, so we get a quotient of 3 and a remainder of 1. Divide that by 2 and we get a quotient of 1 and a remainder of 1. And divide that by 2, and this is where we stop always when we get to 0, and that had a remainder of 1. And then we read the number backwards. So we can say that 1,000 in base 10 is equal to 11111 0 1 0 0 0 in base 2.